Hello everyone and welcome. Today, we're revealing how to find hidden local deals using Google Alerts. Tired of missing out on nearby sales? This free tool is your solution. Set up automated alerts for products and services right in your area. Started? Our first step is simple. Visit the Google Alerts website. Open your browser and search Google Alerts or go to google.com/alert. This platform is where you'll manage your alerts, offering a straightforward interface. On the page, you'll see a prominent search bar. You'll create a new alert by entering a specific term or phrase. What Google will continuously track, notifying you when new matching content is published. For local deals, combine your desired product or service with location-specific keywords. Example, type running shoes plus sale near me or lawn care service local discount. The near me or local editions are crucial, prioritizing geographically relevant results, ensuring you find accessible sales. Experiment with modifiers like clearance or special offer. After entering your term, click Show Options to customize your alert. The frequency as it happens, daily or weekly for notifications. It happens is ideal for time-sensitive deals. So filter by sources, language, and region. Configured, hit Create Alert to activate your deal finding assistant. Like that, you've gained a powerful automated tool for discovering hidden local deals. The alert saves you time and ensures you never miss out on incredible savings in your area. Multiple alerts for various interests. Remember to periodically refine your search terms to keep alerts effective. Simple, yet highly efficient strategy for smart shopping. For watching.